Einstein. Have you heard about IBM Watson? Have you heard about Alexa? Heard about Siri?
Yeah.
Those are all nothing but artificial intelligence or agents, or the concept of
Yeah.
Amazon uses Alexa. What do you call? Apple uses Siri. I'm not sure Google what they use it.
Google
Okay,
Home, Google also.
Google there is an assistant actually. Okay, then uh, I think Google uses Siri. I think. Okay, then IBM has Watson. Then Salesforce has Einstein. Albert Einstein.
Okay.
When you see here, you will see here Einstein. It's nothing but basically you see Einstein insights.
Yes.
Okay, like this they keep on adding, and they'll remove. So you need to have a good patience to read all these things. When you read and learn, then you will be able to understand that. Okay, these are the new things got added. Can you see? Supported browsers for Lightning experience. Okay, it is enabled for all the users. Salesforce for all. Salesforce for all. Okay, complete. Then you'll become a guru, master guru okay. So that's the concept of your release notes. Might be released summer 19 also. You can refer the summer 19 release notes. Okay, but it is not compulsory that you have to go through all these things. If you go through all these things, the work what you are doing. For example, you are working on admin means you can check the admin's changes here. If you're working on Einstein, you can change. You can look into your Einstein related changes. Okay, so that is about your winter notes. Okay. Similarly, you will also have your org like this. So you have sales org. I was discussing right yesterday. You'll have sales org. Sales
Yes.
has particular options. Okay, home, chatter, campaigns, leads, accounts, contacts, opportunities. Okay, like similarly, you'll have marketing org also like this. You'll have campaign leads, contacts, opportunities, reports and dashboards. Analytics cloud we discussed. You remember? Okay, four types of
Yes.
clouds will be there. Then this is your reports and dashboards. Okay, similarly your service. Okay, accounts, contacts, cases, solutions, reports, and dashboards for your service org. Now I want to create my own org. I want my org to come here. You're getting my point. When I
Yeah.
want my own application to be developed and I want to see my application, people should start using my application. So that is what we are
Okay.
going to do in the next few hours. I mean, in the next coming sessions. Okay. Now
Okay.
we move on to the next topic that is called as building blocks. Okay. Now building blocks means what? Okay. So you purchased a land in Toronto and you want to start your constructing your house. So what all you require?
And
So you require land first of all.
Yes.
Land is nothing but a platform. Okay, who provided the land platform? Salesforce has given you the platform. The org, what you are seeing, this org you are seeing now, is called as a platform as a service. It is nothing but your force.com. Yesterday I was telling you, remember?
yeah,
For
force.com.
selling and service, these orgs are created on the force.com platform. Similarly, when you create an app, here when you create the app, your Salesforce, your app is created on the force.com. Okay. So that's a platform as a service. Understood? Okay.
Mm.
Now you already have a land and a platform. What are other you require? What are other things that you require?
Mm, equipment to build a
Okay.
house, like if everything
Equipment. I require
like
bricks. I
bricks,
require
yeah, like cement.
iron. Okay. I require cement. I require mason. Okay. All these things. I require water also. So these are nothing but building blocks of blocks, okay, to construct your house. Without any of these things, will you able to construct your house?
No.
No. So similarly, okay, Salesforce also have building blocks. Okay, what are those building blocks are called as? Okay, standard fields, then custom fields, okay, standard objects, standard objects, custom objects. Then I'll start creating my application. And if you have object model, that all we'll discuss. Okay. Now, both of you, do you know Oracle? Did you work on SQL in database?
No, did not work on
No.
the SQL, but the database, yeah,
Do you
had
know
some knowledge.
what do you mean by table?
Table will be
In the
having
data,
rows and columns like a table.
very, very good. Who is that? I want to see.
Pavani.
Very good. Very
Thank
good.
you.
So you have table. Okay, actually, database is created with database. Database will have what? Tables. Okay.
Yeah.
What does this tables will have? Very good. Tables will have rows and columns. The table will
Okay.
have rows and columns. Basically, for example, if I say Excel,
Excel local term.
okay. So what you'll have? For example, I want to store employee ID. I want to store employee name. I want to store employee city. Employee ID 101. Employee name Shiva. City Hyderabad. Okay. Pavani. Okay. And, okay. 103. Monica. Okay. Okay. These are called as columns,
Yeah.
Mm.
right? And
Yes.
these are
Yeah.
Rose.
Row.
I can also say rows or record. Got it?
Yes.
Or record. And I can also say columns as fields.
Fields. Yeah.
I can also call it as attributes. I mean,
Attributes.
different programming language, different. For example, Oracle, we call it as table. Yes, very important point. Tables.
Mm.
Okay, we call it as rows
Row.
and columns. Okay, sometimes, okay, some other database, okay, let's say MongoDB or NoSQL, anything you take, okay, MongoDB, okay, there also, what do they call? They call it as table only, okay,
Mm.
but they as uh, MongoDB, they call it as table, they call it as the table, they might call it as records, or they call it as field.
Fields.
I mean, different use it, but the concept is same.
Same. Okay.
Okay.
In database, rows we call it as. Before after rows, it is also called as tuples. It is also called as rows or tuples or records
Tuples.
or
Okay.
fields or attributes.
Attribute.
Getting my point? Okay. Similarly, okay, in Java, in programming language, Java programming language, what I'll do, I'll say it as class. Okay, class is called as in a table. Okay, it is also called as, one second,
Class is called table. Okay.
So here in Java we call it as class. Okay, class table is called as a class.
Yes.
Column as attributes,
Attributes.
and the rows are called as instances. Getting my point?
Yes.
Yeah.
In Java we call it as class, attributes, and instances.
Instances.
Same concept in Salesforce. Okay, table we call it as object. Getting my
Okay.
point?
Yes. Yes.
Fields, then records.
Okay.
Okay, columns are called as fields and tuples, rows are called as records. Same concept. Can you see my screen here?
Record.
Slide. Objects. You see now? In
Yes.
database,
Yes.
we call it as table,
Table. Column.
column, and rows.
Rows.
In Salesforce, we call it as
Salesforce.
table is called as
Object.
object, we call it as field,
Fields and records.
in Java, we call it as class.
Class. Attributes. Instances.
Understood? Now, my first step in Salesforce is okay, we are not working on database, we are not learning Java, but what we are learning?
Salesforce.
Salesforce. So,
Salesforce.
create objects, you need to create
Object fields
fields,
and records.
you need to create records.
Records.
That's the first step of building blocks of Salesforce.